How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your browser and dive into temu.com. As you can see, this is the website and we have here a various product. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you wanna be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is just scrolling down and click over here in affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before, let's scrolling down to know some information. Here we have how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share, or earn. We have also some questions like what is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run away and any referral story or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commissions rewards? If you want to get your answers, you can just click over here and get your answers. We have here all questions and his answers, as you can see. So let's sign up right now. You can just click over join now and write your email or phone number. You can also use Google, Facebook, App Store, or other options if you wanna. After your subscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get your commission whatever they buy, but they will get also $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you can click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also, you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share, and earn. So let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. First of all, have selling physical products. List and sell items such as handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. We have also offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping costs and instant delivery. The third one, we have provided services. Offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service listens with clear pricing and delivery times. Also, we have affiliate marketing. Promote other sellers' products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referrals, links, utilize social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. We have finally also drop shipping. Set up a drop shipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Let's know some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. We have first selling physical products. The example is jewelry, as you can see here. So for products, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. For description, we have detailed descriptions highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing. jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material cost, time invested, and market demand. The second one, we have offering digital products. We have example is online courses. So for products, we have courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For description, we have courses, the syllables, learning objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscriptions-based access to course materials. For providing service, the example is freelance writings. For service, we have content writings for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have career explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The first one we have affiliate marketing. The example H is Teach Gadgets, as you can see. For products, we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. For method, we have share affiliate links on a Teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through referrals, links, content. We have write reviews, unboxings, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one we have drop shipping. The example is home decor. For product we have 20 home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. For supplier we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront we have create a branded online store showcasing the products. For marketing we have use social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. For customer, we have customer service. We have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. Making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses by following these steps and leveraging Temu's features. You can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So, this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful. And see you again in the next video.